The healing of shame, which in fact is really the awakening of self-love, self-acceptance, self-valuing, self-validation. And this is really what I want to awaken in you, in me, in everybody. Everybody, it's GP from omschool.ca. I'm doing a workshop called The Healing of Shame. But as I pointed out, the healing of shame is really the opening to our own self-love. The shame we learn, and notice, there's no such thing as shame in a little kid. Real little kids, right? They're just themselves. They do whatever they want. But over time, things happen. We get pushed down, and before we know it, we're rejecting our own nature because it's, the tribe doesn't like it or the family doesn't like it for whatever reason. That's not as important as the fact to note what's actually happened. Our natural self-love, self-acceptance, self-validation gets covered over with this layer of shame. If we can remove that layer, we don't have to learn how to love ourselves. We have to get access to our essential energy that already knows. As a matter of fact, just loves itself completely, adores who you are. And the end result, of course, is that you see it in others as well. Your whole capacity for love grows. And in that capacity for love is the capacity for the healing of all our ills, all our traumas, all of our difficulties, all of them, emotional, psychological, physical, the whole range. Because you remove that layer that has kept you from knowing who you truly are. This is what we're going to talk about. This is what we're going to dive into. We've got several techniques with tapping and inner reconciliation and meditation, some self-inquiry, a variety of ways of approaching it. But all so that you can awaken yourself to the fact that you are lovable, you are valuable, you are way more than you thought you were. And there are just some energetic blocks that are far easier to clear away than you realize. So I hope you'll join me. 3 different days, a Thursday, a Friday, and Saturday, spread across 3 weeks, different time zones, different days of the week, in order to be able to get everybody around the whole world. So I want everybody around the world. So everybody, right? I think I have 7.6 billion seats available on Zoom. So you all got a seat. Until then, I love you all. Namaste.